Tribu, Talisaynon of the city of Talisay.
Taliwa sa mga kasakit o mga pagsulay sa kinabuhi, the miracles of Santo Niño emerge as a beacon of hope and solace, transcending our worldly troubles. I am a living testament to the profound impact of the Holy Child's miracles. Laom ang debosyon sa mga Talisaynon ngadto sa balaang bata. Talisay City is home of the Santo Niño Church na gitukod sa mga Augustinian friars sa Barangay Mohon almost 40 years ago. Over a decade of participation in the Sinulog sa Kabataan, ang Tribu Talisaynon kalima na himong Grand Champion. Friends, here is Tribu Talisaynon offering a dance to express our profound gratitude to Santo Niño for being our guiding light, our miracle, and our unwavering source of hope. Viva Pit Señor!
Contingent number 9, Tribu Talisaynon of the city of Talisay.
The light, I never thought that you would be the one. And in the end, everything makes the world become. So I will hold on close now as leaves may the trees and all will be alright in time. All will be alright in time. Hallelujah.